Hello guys, it's been a long time since we met. I'm Shu and welcome to my channel Shu Art where I do art and I hope you are doing well and Happy New Year! And today I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks how to do the sketching like how I do because I have very minimum art supplies. Like I have a sketch pen, a marker and 6B pencil and 4B pencil and 2B pencil and eraser, that's it. So with these minimum art supplies, I'm going to show you how to make a portrait or a figure more realistic. I hope it's realistic. Well, let's start. See, as you can see that I'm doing the dark shades with a marker since I'm not gonna waste my sketch pen because limited art supplies. So well, I use my sketch pen to do some thin lines which can't be filled with markers. See, as you can see that I'm leaving some space which I'm gonna fill with the sketch pen since I can't fill it with the marker. And here I'm doing some curls and the more thin lines of the hair I'm gonna do with the black pen, a black ball pen. Well, my tip and trick to do some curls is to make your hand free so that you can glide it freely. Well, using a sketch pen might not be helpful for you if you are giving pressure on it. As you can see that I'm not coloring all the areas, all the dark areas with the sketch pen because I'm leaving those to be colored, to be shaded with 6B. They are not so dark areas. Since nose is the toughest part, so I don't prefer doing it with a sketch pen at the very first. Even if it's the darkest, it has some darkest areas. Moving forward to the lips, you should always remember that always leave the highlighted parts unshaded, untouched, because once you shade those areas by mistake, that will be a biggest mistake in the drawing and it may change it. Another trick, never do the face with a sketch pen. Even if it's the darkest area, always do it with a pencil. And I'm contouring the face. And here is a paper stone which I made. You can also make it by rolling some papers areas and using the paper stump to blend it to the corresponding areas which are not so dark. If you are liking this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and also share this with the fellow artists and help them, and also hit the subscribe button and the bell button to get an early update. Also from update, you should also follow me on Instagram at @ShuArt0 where I updated all my art. Also remember not to shade those highlighted areas of the skin because that will be another big mistake. Well, in case you didn't notice that I was using a reference photo, like a real photo, to do this, because due to that I can get those shades correctly, and since I'm learning on my own, I have to do it. I did the whole skin like I did the face, so I didn't speak that much. I literally did use the stump to blend all of it, and used less pencil and kept the highlighted areas untouched from the shade. And after some few touches, I will be done with it. I hope you like this. The shades are beautiful. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button right now, and also do follow me on Instagram because I share all my updates there. Thank you.